This review is of Nib Mor Original Organic Dark 72% dark chocolate. It is less than 3 grams of sugar. Okay, USDA organic, certified gluten-free, plant-based, non-GMO, vegan, PARB, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims, Rainforest Alliance certified cocoa. Gosh, is there anything else? Okay, well, it's made in Canada. So there's all that there, including the nutrition facts and ingredients. Alright. I've been waiting to try this one, but here we go. Okay, so it's kind of irregularly shaped. You can see that it was poured in when it was a little bit too cold, perhaps. The bottom of the mold was not purely smooth. There's a little bit of like grain to it, I guess you could say, like sandpaper grain. It's got an almost minty smell to it. First thing I'm getting on this is actually a little bit of bitterness. Mildly sweet. That kind of pepperminty flavor is still persisting, even though there's no mint in this. I don't really notice the vanilla. Yeah, this is very interesting. It's quite different. I don't know if their machine is contaminated with mint, or if there's something unique about the ingredients, but it definitely has a very, very slight mint flavor to it that, well, for me personally, I love mint, so this is nice. I think I'd give it an 8. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.